Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about MMT of trunk rotation. The muscle responsible for the trunk rotation are external oblique and internal oblique abdominis. For grade 5, patient position is supine with hand claps behind the head. Therapist position, standing at patient's waist level. Instruction given to the patient, lift your head and shoulders from the table, taking your right elbow towards the left knee. Then lift your head and shoulders from the table, taking your left elbow towards the right knee. Grade 5, patient is able to perform complete range of motion. For grade 4, patient position is supine with arms crossed across the chest. Therapist position, standing at the side of the patient at the waist level. Grade 4, patient is able to perform complete range of motion on the both the side. Grade 3, patient position is supine with arm overstretched above body plane. Therapist position, standing at the side of the patient at the waist level. Grade 3, patient is able to raise the scapula of the table. For the grade 2, patient position is supine with the arm stretched above the body plane. Therapist position, standing at the side of the patient at the level of patient's waist. Instruction given to the patient, lift your head and reach towards your right knee. Grade 2, patient is unable to clear the inferior angle of the scapula from the table. For grade 1 and 0, patient position, supine with arms at the side, hips flexed with feet flat on the table. Therapist position, standing, one hand support the head as the patient attempts to turn on one side. Another hand palpate internal oblique on the side towards which the patient turn, and external oblique on the side away from the direction of turning. Grade 0, no contractile activity.